Hey guys, so I'm at Marshall's right now and I found all these products that they're selling that you could easily sell online. And instead of having just one chop shop, you could easily sell them to the entire country. Let me show you how. Alright guys, this is one of the products that I found at Marshall's, a neck pillow. It has 49,500 searches per month. And if we look at the Google Trends for the product, it's fairly consistent and never hits the bottom line, which means this product sells year round. Once you guys have a product picked out and you validate that it's a good product, what you want to do is want to go to shopify.com and start building your online store. Once you guys have created your Shopify store, you want to start building your landing page for the product so you could drive customers to purchase the product. Then you guys want to go and create a Google Merchant Center account. Then you want to start creating a Google Ads account. And then build your ad campaign so you could start driving traffic using Google Shopping ads to your store so you can turn customers into dollars. So stop wasting time. Let's go make that money online, baby.